Hello and welcome back to another recipe video from Eat Skinny Live. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make deviled cottage pie. Now the reason it's deviled is because it's got Tabasco sauce in there, hot chili powder and lots of other fantastic flavours too. So let's get cooking. And that is it, deviled cottage pie, really easy to make and packed full of flavour. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button, and if you want to keep up to date with new videos, consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.